Well, a shocking statement yet again from Ajit Pawar, especially coming at a time when the elections are on and threatening the villagers. If you don't vote for Supriya Sule, you don't get water. A shocking statement being condemned by people across the party lines and people from Pune. I have with me a social worker, Mr. Anup Awasthi. How would you react to this statement? Give vote to my sister, otherwise you don't get water. The entire village doesn't get water if they don't vote. Is this democracy, Mr. Anup Awasthi?
No, I think such kind of political leader are the killer of Indian democracy. I request all Indian people to show them their place and don't vote for them. Such kind of irresponsible statement by such a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra is highly condemnable, and we are going to take action against him.
Mr. Awasthi, a villager gets up and he asks a question to Ajit Pawar that you have been giving us assurances of providing water since 2006. He gets agitated and tells his people to forcibly evict him out of that meeting place.
This question
And
was,
and the person who asked that question was actually a serving army jawan.
this question was asked by serving army Jawan, which shows how anti-patriotic this Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is. We deeply condemn his statement. Definitely, we are going to approach Chief of Army Staff to issue legal action against Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and definitely we will take up this matter further and request Election Commission to intervene.
But ironically, so far, the Election Commission was silent until NDTV showed this report. And now the Election Commission has asked for a report from the Maharashtra's State Commission and also the district authorities, as you can see in this report.
Vote for Supriya Sule or else no water for your village. Ajit Pawar, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister and Supriya Sule's cousin, hitting another low. The NCP leader caught on camera allegedly coercing, threatening villagers of Masalwadi in Supriya's Baramati constituency to vote for her. All because an army Jawan stood up and dared to question Pawar's promises to deliver water.
2006 साली तुम्ही इथं आला होता आपले मासवड पवळी गावाला जी मंदिराचं पूजन करण्यासाठी. त्यावेळेस सुद्धा तुम्ही हा शब्द लिहिला होता की 2 महिन्याच्या आतमध्ये मासाळवाडी गावाला पाण्याचा प्रश्न मिटून जाईल. कुठल्या पाण्याचा? पिण्याच्या पाण्याचा तर आहेच आहे, परंतु शेतीच्या पाण्याचा सुद्धा. आणि त्यावेळेस आमच्या एका म्हाताऱ्यानं तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारला होता आम्हाला पिण्याच्या पाण्याचं काय, तेव्हा तुम्ही तारीख दिली होती की 2 महिन्यांनी तुम्हाला पाणी मिळेल. 2006 साली हा दिलेला शब्द, आज 2014 आहे. 6 वर्ष झाली गावाला पाणी नाही. काय ह्याचं काय आता कधी नेमकं पाणी मिळेल ह्याची तारीख द्या आम्हाला.
उद्याच्याला माझ्या बहिणीला मतदान
का नाही करायचं? आम्ही तुमचे कार्यकर्ते, आम्ही तुमच्या बहिणीला मदत. लक्ष्मण तू मला बोलू दे, तू कशाला बोलते? मी दादांशी बोलतोय, बोलू दे ना. संदीप हो दादा ऐका, मी त्यांचंच कार्यकर्ता आहे ना, मला बोलू नाही पण
तुला कळतं का जरा? कळतं का? कार्यकर्ता असून
त्यांना सांगा कोण आहे मी.
The enraged Pawar had the Jawan forcibly evicted even as villagers collectively pleaded for forgiveness.
कल रात 8 बजे दादा इधर आए थे, 8 साढ़े 9 बजे के टाइम पर. तो दादा ने बोला कि जब यहाँ के लोगों ने, यहाँ के सभी लोगों ने, गांव के लोगों ने बताया कि दादा इधर पानी का प्रश्न बहुत बड़ा है. तो दादा बोले कि वहाँ पर हम पानी का प्रश्न सॉल्व करेंगे. यहाँ के तरुण लोग बोले कि हमें एक फिक्स डेट दे दो. ऐसे जब लोग बोलते हैं तब दादा बोलते हैं कि इनको उठा, इनको अंदर डालो. ये गलत है.
The incident allegedly taking place on the eve of the April 17th elections. If true, another violation as the campaigning has to end 48 hours before the polls.
नाही पाणी नाही,
पानी नहीं है.
दाढीला पाणी नाही. त्यांच्या स्वभावामुळे ती बोलून गेलं, पण ते बी बरोबर नाही ना ते.
The NCP claims the video is doctored even as opposition parties have lodged a complaint with the Election Commission, which has now asked for a report.
शरद पवार जो आजकल नरेंद्र मोदी जी पर बहुत तल्ख बोल रहे हैं, हम उनसे सवाल करेंगे कि ऐसी टिप्पणियों पर उनको क्या कहना है, और हम चुनाव आयोग से अपेक्षा करेंगे कि इसका संज्ञान लेगा.
Mr. Ajit Pawar breaking the model code of conduct and forcing villagers to vote for Supriya Sule is one such moment of desperation.
And this isn't the first time. Last year, Pawar mocked a farmer who was demanding water during a crippling drought. Pawar crudely asked, should he urinate to fill the dry dams? Ajit Pawar was forced to apologize, but he still hasn't mended his ways.
Ruling for 10 years at the centre and 15 years in Maharashtra, for the Congress and the NCP, it's double anti-incumbency. Yet Ajit Pawar misses no opportunity to jump into controversies and repeated high-handed behavior. No wonder many of his own colleagues are livid with the junior Pawar, as elections in Maharashtra are still not away. In Pune, Imtiaz Jalil for NDTV.